If you have a foam roller at home, or if you've recently purchased one from us here at Resolve Wellness, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to utilize this to alleviate tension in different areas of your body. And I'll also show you how you can utilize this in conjunction with one of our other tools from our mobility ball set that you can use to help alleviate tension specifically along the length of your spine. A foam roller is a really great tool to be able to roll out tension from different areas of your body. There are foam rollers that have different sizes, different densities. This particular one is what we call a high density foam, so it does not compress very easily. It's not soft at all. There are others on the market that are a little bit softer. There are ones on the market that are firmer than this. There are ones on the market that have little knobs that come out of them to really get into those more targeted areas of tension in the tissues. It's great to select one that's going to be right for what you need it for. I actually have 2 or 3 of them at home so that I can pick and choose. I also have a short one that's probably about this long and it's hollow, and I can throw it in my suitcase when I travel. And the great part about the hollow is that I can throw stuff in the middle of it and it doesn't take up too much empty space, or I don't have to throw away space out of my suitcase to take it along with me. But I'm going to show you some things that you can do with this. But the idea with a foam roller is that you're using broad surface area to push into the different areas of your body, the tissues, the muscles, the tendons and ligaments, to just give a little bit of pressure and roll through or massage on your own those areas that get tight and that hang on to tension. This is going to be great for your calves, your hamstrings, quads. A lot of people, these are pretty famous for using on your IT bands, although I don't typically recommend that clients use this on their IT band specifically, because the IT band is just a wide, broad sheet of connective tissue and it won't respond quite as well as muscular tissue. So when people have tension on the outside of their leg, I tell them to try to utilize this more specifically up at the top of their hip in a muscle called the tensor fasciae lata, or the TFL, to loosen that muscle to alleviate the tension down the length of the IT band. It's not bad to use this on your IT band. You'll just get bigger bang for your buck if you're utilizing this on the muscular tissue versus the connective tissue. This is also really great to use as a spinal tension alleviator. So you lie on top of this. So if you line this up straight down your spine and then lie down on it, it can actually put a little pressure into the curvatures of your spine. So when you look sideways at the spinal column, you've got an anterior curvature in the neck, a posterior curvature in the thoracic spine, and then another anterior curvature in the lumbar spine. So lying flat on a firm surface like this foam roller can actually help to push pressure into those curvatures, creating some counter pressures and alleviating some of that tension that the multifidi and erector spinae group hold when you're standing or sitting upright for long periods of time. And you can actually couple this with our peanut tool and put that right underneath the surface of your skull, right at the base of the skull, to alleviate some pressure and allow some extra extension through the cervical spine to really be a nice elongator of the spinal musculature.